What we will have in the future is the ability to use our electric car as a true battery on wheels, which means that it should be able to navigate itself and be able to move energy.
Generate electricity on a local level, store it on a local level and use it at a local level.
We produce all our own electricity.
Wow.
So we share assets, wind turbines, solar and so on. And we became supplier. So citizens say we get our own electricity at home.
Vehicle to grid can compensate for the need to expand the electricity network.
What's going to be first, a vehicle to grid car or vehicle to grid charger?
We haven't sort of started thinking about vehicle to grid and smart charging more at large yesterday. We started off in 2016, and in the meantime we published quite a few reports. And I have to say, not all of them have been followed through. So there's lots of hurdles still to overcome.
Most important probably is the lesson that all noses need to point in the same direction. And this requires an atmosphere of knowledge sharing, open conversation and collaboration.
We need to make it simpler. The technology is there already since 2011. A lot of projects have been carried out.
We have over 100,000 AC public charging stations, and for example Rotterdam and Utrecht were the first cities to have the tenders bidirectional charging ready.
Vehicle to grid needs planning. We want to use shared cars for this. A shared car system is also a plannable system.
We bought 5,000 Lightyear 2s for 2025.
The main issue we had to tackle with Aircon was to make a system which is vehicle to off-grid.
Our main impact is that we make the sites operational, and by making the sites operational we investigated and we took the defaults out of it.
A lot of the things are technically possible, but there's no framework yet on transparency, on how to deal with the DSO, for example.
During the project there weren't any protocol standards.
The standards for charging and discharging should be one of a kind. That will really push the market. There's room for other competition and not on the way how to charge.
We need to keep working on it on every level. Legislation, financial, technology, software, functional. Only then we are able to push this forward with each other and keep the dots connected.